Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this series, we are gonna go over building my first PC. I don't have any sort of background on this, so I'm going in as a noob. But basically, I've been editing my videos off of a MacBook Air, which has limited me in terms of like memory, speed. I haven't really been able to do anything besides surf the internet. So if I want to continue to create content or content that's over like 5 minutes, I need a major upgrade. But at some point, I do want to see, how I do in playing games and live streaming and everything. So I had a friend give me a list of all the things that I'm going to need to build my first PC. He basically helped me with finding all of these parts. I don't actually know what any of these parts are, but I have a case, the memory, the storage. I found a video from TechSource. He has like an hour-long video and he goes over how to put everything together. So enjoy the video. Okay, so I have another camera up here, which will allow me hopefully to get some footage from a bird's eye view. It looks like everyone first starts with a motherboard.
I don't think this is it. I think the motherboard is big. It's big. Why aren't any of these boxes actually named what everyone else calls it? What is this? Oh, but this guy, it says gigabyte. So this is gigabyte. But then what's this?
Okay, I think this one's it. All right, I think this one is the motherboard. According to a lot of the videos, I need to be careful where I touch.
These are the little things that are flying around in there. Ooh, I know this one that does the cooling thing. I'm not sure what this is. Gently, I feel overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed.
I'm gonna keep this over on the side. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is the CPU.
Quickly open the CPU box and pull out the CPU from the protective case by holding it from inside.
So grabbing the CPU from, oh, it's heavy. So align this, oops, shoot. Okay, so align the triangle with the triangle. The gold goes down and very minimal pressure. Or no pressure. Oh, okay, cool. It just kind of went in.
Congratulations, you just installed your CPU. Pretty easy so far, right?
Okay, so I have 2 of the memory stuff, which is 32 gigabytes. So that's pretty cool. So there's like this little divot thing here, which tells me how I need to make it face. And it sounds like I don't have to put a ton of pressure on it. It should close by itself once it's in properly. It didn't do that. Oh, it didn't do it. Oh, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. I'm scared. It's not going in. How hard do I press on it?
Lower the memory stick down and apply firm pressure to snap it in place.
Okay, firm pressure. Firm pressure.
It's not going in. Okay, I'm gonna try a different. Okay. Okay, it's in. There you go. Memory's in. I don't know if I have an SSD. Do I have an SSD? I do. This is the M2 SSD. Okay. Let's see, what do I have to do? Let's see. Righty tighty, lefty loosely. Oh, this little guy, please don't lose that. And I think I saw a little film on this, so I think that means I should probably take that out. So it's a good thing I'm going through this. Oh, okay. Is it supposed to look like that? Okay. I had to phone a friend. I couldn't find one of the screws, but I think I'm gonna cheat the system, and I'm going to put this little bad boy in. Oh gosh. There you go. It should be fine. Should be fine. Now let's screw this back in. Righty, tighty. Okay, done. So he did tell me that I have this little backing that goes through the motherboard, and this is where I would screw in the cooler. So let me do that. Go like that. Okay, some paste here. Okay, let's line this up. Fan 1. Oh, I think I'm done. I think I'm done with the motherboard. Now I need to put the motherboard into my case. But I'm a little afraid because what I don't understand about the case is the fan part. No? Is I wrong? Oh, nope, I was right, yay! So it should probably align. Oh shit. Okay. That seems about right. So I feel bad for the people that don't have tiny fingers. This must be really difficult. It's basically everywhere that has a hole, but except one right here. I don't know what's supposed to go there because this screw is way too small. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. And this is what I'm concerned about, is this little hole right here. But everywhere else, I screwed in those little tiny guys where I think that they go.